something I don't understand what's going on. I have my start heights set up at like a 1/4 inch from the surface here. I know it doesn't show it, but you can kind of see. I do see something here though. This line right here. There's quite a distance between this point and the top. That might be something going on here. You can see there. So watch what I do. So everything is zeroed out. I don't know if this H offset, I had it at 3. Didn't seem to do anything, but I'm going to switch it back to 0. So yeah, we got that all set. So we're going to hit cycle start and going to see what happens. So I don't see anywhere on this G code at the beginning here, even if you scroll down a little bit. G90. So here it actually starts the beginning where it says the first Z code, the first Z is right here. So there's no reason for this machine to go up like it's going to do. I don't see anywhere along here where it says Z negative like 5 inches or 4 inches. So check this out. Just show this. G code start. So here we go. So look at it. It's going up, 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 up. By that, the cutter would be smashed into the part. And then it's going to start. And then watch what it does. Going to come to the corner, or probably right about here. It's going to start right somewhere in this area right here. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, so now it's going all the way down. Not all the way down, but kind of like where it was before. There, and then it's going to come up a little bit, and then now it's going to start cutting. I'm just doing a dry cut right now, so it's not doing anything, but why is it doing that? So I don't understand why this cutter, I guess it thinks it's right here, and it has to go all the way down and then all the way over, and then it goes up, I think up and then down again. I don't know. It's crazy what's going on in this thing. Anybody can shed some light on why this is, if this is a starting point and it goes all the way down, which it thinks that the part is way down here, and then it goes all the way over here, and then it comes up here and then starts cutting right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so it comes, the cutter comes, or the table comes up to the cutter and then over where it's supposed to start, and then it goes all the way down like where it originally was, and then it kind of starts cutting right there. I don't understand why this is happening. Maybe people can shed some light on this.